What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great week so far, and welcome to a new video. On Bitcoin, we'll do a full update. We'll talk about everything you need to know. I mean, in general, just to, we'll just get started instantly. In general, Bitcoin right now doesn't look that strong, right? I mean, if you look at it, if you look at the general market circumstances, there's absolutely no bullish confirmation yet. We found some support here around 65,000, which is, there's basically a ton of support and resistance levels here between like 69 and 62,000. It's not that clear cut. Like, for example, you could argue 64 is one, 63, 62 is one. Basically, every round number in that whole area is some sort of support or something. So we have found some support yesterday afternoon. However, what we're seeing right now is that, first of all, the main resistance level, I would say, is 66,500. And the only way we can actually turn bullish right now, because I would say, at least on the short term, we are bearish. The only thing is if we get some new money inflow, all right? And what you see, if you look at the open interest right now, is the open interest is still dropping down here, all right? So what that means is that, all right, well, the open interest is dropping down, price is moving up slightly, and let me adjust my camera a bit. Price is moving up slightly. That means shorts are being covered, all right? So most of this bullish momentum, or at least most of this very, very small recovery we've had here, small bounce, has just been shorts being closed, which is not, I mean, you could see that as good news, but it's not the best news. The best news would be an increasing open interest. So today is Wednesday. We've seen more often that Wednesday goes against the weekly trend a bit. Which the weekly trend for sure is bearish. So it is a possibility today that we do get some recovery. But the main thing we have to do, and I would say we have to do that rather quickly, is get some sort of a breakout above 66,500. All right. If we can get that, and like I said, I actually do think we have a good chance. I mean, shorts being closed is still some sort of an indication of what's expected by some of these bigger whales. And there's a possibility that the open interest obviously does go up a bit today, but it's still early morning. I mean, the US still has to wake up. A lot of people here in Europe still have to wake up. Probably not the traders, but still there is a possibility we actually get some sort of a breakout above 66,500 and a recovery a bit higher up towards like 68,000 at the very most. However, even though I think that's a very realistic scenario today, I don't think that's going to last, all right? I think ultimately, especially if you look at this, the only way in which Bitcoin could actually turn bullish again is if the open interest finds support and starts really moving up again. And that's definitely not the case right now. And I also don't think that's the most likely scenario for today. So this is a possibility if we break above 66,500 in the next, let's say a couple of hours, 4 or 5 hours, something like that. If we are not able to do that, and if we just drop back down right now, down towards 65,000, bearish it is. And we'll probably drop down to the next support level around 63 and 62,000. And ultimately, and I do want to stress that, bearish continuation is most likely. All right, so whether we do it like this, right? So that's the bullish scenario we talked about, or whether we just instantly drop back down today, it doesn't really matter that much to me. But because that's still in line with the technicals right now, that's in line with a lot of indications we're seeing. I think like I said, I think there's a small chance at some recovery, but I would not bet on it right now. Maybe after the bullish breakout. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.